got the bus outside for the first time since 2022. So gonna give it a little wash because it's really rotten and it smells really musty even though it's outside. Like the wind blows off of it and it still stinks. So I'm gonna give her a wash. I'm hoping to not have it outside for too long. I just need to have it out for a bit so I can swap the engine in my van over there. This piece is to help like keep down the seal, and maybe there's supposed to be, looks like there's supposed to be a back half to it. Anyways, it's probably good for the garbage. I ended up cleaning this out pretty good, and I cut this off with the angle grinder and I scrubbed this out. I didn't get a video of it though, but I'm just gonna cover that. There we go. Okay, I just threw that back on to keep the water out-ish, and yeah, can only go up from here, I think. But yeah, if you have any words of wisdom for my big restoration, I'm gonna need it.